So here are the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need a 5/8 socket, a couple of extensions, ratchet, or if you need more power, a longer ratchet. And I kind of went ahead of myself and I kind of started doing them. But here's the one more that you need. So pull the boot, make sure you twist first, pull down, and if you can have some pliers if you really need to, if they're really stuck, but most of the time you can do this by hand. You just twist and then you just tug and it should just come out. And there's that one spark plug there. So you get the socket, bring it in, make sure it's flush. Once it sits down on the hex of the spark plug, you check which extension you might need. You visualize where the ratchet will be and where the extension will be in relationship to the area you're given to. So in my case, I feel that this tiny extension will work for me in this situation. So I put that in, grab the ratchet, line it up with the position of the extension, like so. See? You can see how I have enough clearance. The key thing is to visualize. You have to visualize where your tools are going to be at. And once you're ready, kind of set it up in the comfortable position where you can break the fastener out, or in this case, the spark plug. And see? Just like that. It might feel rough, but slowly and slowly it'll come out. See how it's getting slowly loose? And then at this point, you can just remove the ratchet with the plug, with the extension. And you can just grab it and turn it by hand. And or in this case, if you can't, just remove the socket from the ratchet. Since you already broke it loose, you can just put this in the spark plug and just turn it. See? See me turning it? Sorry for the video shake. Holding the camera and working with the other hand is a little different. It's easier for me in my view, but for you guys watching this, camera's not very friendly. See, I heard it drop, right? So it already came off the head. Just slowly bring it up. And there's your plug. You see how it looks recessed is? That's because I had this car for an extra setup, so the electrode is much more pushed in, whereas with stock, they're a lot more out.